What's going on? It's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. Now in today's video I'll be unboxing the brand new 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro. Now the spec for this MacBook will of course be left down below in the description. I would also like to remind you that we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers and that if you are new around here, to go ahead and hit the subscribe button clicking the bell to be notified of when I upload any of my new videos. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So let's start by talking about the pricing. Now here in the United Kingdom, you will find this MacBook Pro setting you back around £1,799, and if you're in the United States, it'll be pretty much the same but in dollars, coming in at $1,799. If you are based anywhere within Europe, you'll also find it setting you back €2,129. But enough about that, let's crack open the lid and find out what actually comes included with this MacBook Pro. So in typical Apple fashion, cracking open the box, we find the MacBook Pro sat right up on top. Now taking that out and placing it to a side, we get our first look at what other things come included with this product. One of the first things you see is your Designed by Apple in California documentation envelope, and taking a look within this, you will find a quick start guide which gives you a general overview on the buttons and the layout of the ports. You'll also find some regulatory information along with details on your Apple 1-year limited warranty, which comes in a number of different languages. This is also followed up by 2 color matched Apple stickers. So if you choose to have your MacBook Pro in either space grey or silver, expect your Apple stickers to also come in said color. The next items included make up your 61-watt USBC power adapter. You'll also find that this power adapter can be changed depending on which country you're in, so if you do end up traveling around, then you could also change the adapting end to fit natively into the socket of the country you're traveling in. In a nutshell, it basically means that when you're traveling around that you haven't got to carry a plethora of travel adapters. And the final item to be included with this MacBook Pro is your 2-meter long USBC cable, which of course can be used for powering up and charging this MacBook Pro along with data transfer. And should this cable ever get damaged, they're easily replaced as USB-C is an open standard. So that has been it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, then be sure to hit the thumbs up button, and if you are new around here, then be sure to subscribe clicking the bell icon to be notified of when I upload any of my new videos. If you have got any questions with anything you've seen in this video, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively you can hit me up on my social media, links to which can of course be found down below in the description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.